Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to register to Unli-data using Smart app. If you are new to this topic, you can watch it from the beginning until the end. Follow this step.
Second, select the account you want to register to Unli-data. Third step, scroll down and click Don't Miss Out. From here, you can see the Unli-data and Double Giga. Select Unli-data. You can choose whichever one of them you want to register. Take note that this Unli-data can change depending on their update. For this tutorial, I choose Unli-data for $199. This is good for 1 month. As you can see, I am registered to Unli-data for $199, which is good only for 30 days.